got a license on you, bud?
No.
You have no license, anything, ID on you?
I got ID.
I see your ID. You know you just can't drive these things down the road, right?
I do. I know this.
You do?
I was on the sidewalk. I've been on the sidewalk.
Okay. So where you headed to with it?
My home.
Your home?
Yes.
See, when there's no lights, they say they're not meant for road, so.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So where you come from tonight?
Hucks.
Hucks? Just Hucks, okay.
Yeah, I'm getting gas. Enough of this.
Where's your gas can at?
Oh, man. I left it back there. Can I put this off the side and go get it?
Not right now, just wait here a second, okay?
Oh, I know. I'm just...
You stand up out there for a second real quick, bud?
Yep.
You have any knives on you or anything like that?
Yeah, I do.
Let me take it off, throw it in the Jeep for me real quick. You had any drink or anything tonight?
Yes, sir.
No, not at all? Okay. I'm gonna do a couple checks, make sure you're okay real quick, all right?
I never could have been able to do that. I felt that one.
Okay. I'll have a seat in my car here, okay? All right, guys, step back here.
Give me a citation or something?
I said, I'm just giving you a warning for not having any lights on it, okay?
I mean, for me.
Okay.
What about for me? I want to go home, man. What?
DUI on a vehicle. That's still better. That is
Are you
still
kidding
a
me?
No, I'm not. That is still a vehicle.
I was told that no.
So you talked to the wrong person.
Oh, man. What are you getting me on DUI for? How come you get me on DUI on the power wheels? I'm just asking.
And 3511. Be 10 at the hospital, being right next to jail. That is still a vehicle that is powered. Bicycle's about the only thing because it's self-powered that you can't.
Other than your feet or your hands. Yeah,
You're
two little generators.
still powered by gas, electric.
That's right.
Some sort of concept like that, I still consider it a vehicle, man.
Yeah, I was agreeing with you. It's being powered other than your feet or your hands.
Yep.
Why couldn't you let that one go, man? Come on, dude.
I can't. Nothing.
Come on, you got my car. You got. I've been cooperating. At least you. I mean, come on. I ain't been in trouble 5 years. Help me out a little bit, man.
My hands are done, man.
No, they're not. You know they're not. Look, I mean, you don't really have to take me to jail for that.
Yes, I do.
You're just wanting to because you can't get me on nothing else. I've been riding these power wheels for the last 9 months, and you're the only one that's taking me to jail. Nobody's taking me to jail but you.
Okay.
More power to you. I mean, you're the only one that's done it. I'm not mad. I'm just doing your job. I'm upset, but I'm not mad, okay? You hear me?
If you wouldn't have been under influence and stuff, I probably got you out of there and not let you drive away, but using marijuana and everything else, it's a
Yeah, but
different story.
I'm not over meth. And marijuana stays in the system 30 days, so.
Okay.
I mean, marijuana stays in the system for at least 30 days.
I'm trying to get home to Saratoga.
Trying to get home where?
To Saratoga.
To Saratoga?
Yeah.
Okay. From where?
From Saratoga.
From Saratoga to
Yeah.
Saratoga.
To yeah.
Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
Where are you driving from?
Saratoga.
Where in Saratoga?
Right up the street.
Right up the street? Where's right up the street?
Empire Run.
Okay. And where were you
Okay.
driving to in Saratoga?
Um,
Okay, so you're not driving to Saratoga.
correct, but close.
You're driving
Close.
to Boston Lake.
Correct.
Half an hour away.
But I can stay there if you want me to stay there. I can stay
Half
there.
an hour away.
Correct. But I can
Okay.
stay right here if you want me
How
to
much
stay
have you
here.
had to drink tonight?
One drink.
One drink?
Yeah.
All right. Well, spit the gum out for me, please.
You want me to?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Sure.
You had one drink?
Mhm.
What time was that at?
An hour ago.
An hour ago? Where?
Yeah. Empire Run.
Empire Run?
It's right here.
Yeah, I know where Empire
Okay.
Run is. Okay.
I'll show you if you want
Is that
me
a
to.
front? No, you don't need to.
Okay,
Is that-
If
what
you're
are we doing at Empire Run?
just see my friend,
Okay.
but she's like right here. If
Okay.
you want me to show you.
No, you're fine.
Okay.
Do you have your ID on you?
Sure. It's in the car.
It's in the car? Okay. Is it your
Yeah.
car or is it someone else's car?
It's probably my car.
It's probably your car.
Yeah.
Who would it be registered if it registered to if it wasn't you?
Correct. It's probably my car.
It's probably your car?
Yeah.
So who would it come back to if it wasn't you?
My car.
Okay.
The Porsche Cayenne is my car.
Okay.
Do you want me to show you my car?
I can see your car and I'll go. Car.
Not good.
Okay. Stay right here for me, please.
Okay.
What's your name? Ma'am, what's your name? All right, Kelly, come over here for me, please.
Okay.
$15.82. If you have a unit, start me a gray box. All right, right over here to my car, please. Stand right here, face your car, don't move, okay? Okay, so you said you were driving from Empire Run, correct?
It's like right here. Literally
Okay, so which
Yeah.
way down the road were you coming?
this way.
You're coming this way or this way?
No, this way.
So
From
you're going
Empire
like
Run?
this.
Yeah.
How'd you hit the truck then?
I don't know.
Don't worry about your phone for right now.
Okay.
I gotta talk to you, okay?
Okay.
How'd you hit the truck then?
I don't know.
Okay, so you're saying you're driving from
Yep.
north to south, going
Correct.
this way,
Correct.
going to Boston Lake,
Correct.
which is
Going
that way.
home. Yep.
Boston
Correct.
Lake's that way,
Correct.
correct? But you're driving that way to
Yep.
go home.
Going home.
Okay. I just want to make it clear. All right.
Yep.
I just want to make sure you get the
Correct.
story right.
Yep.
All right. And how many drinks have you had tonight?
2.
2?
Mhm.
Okay. And what were they to drink?
Just Casamigos on the rocks.
Amigos on the rocks.
On the rocks, yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
And the last drink was when?
A couple hours ago.
A couple hours ago.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. If you want, you can put your phone right on the
Okay.
hood of the car for me. I just got to put you through a couple tests, make sure you're safe to drive, all right?
Yep.
What I want you to do is I want you to stand heels
Yep.
together, toes together, arm at your side,
Sure.
just like
Yep,
that,
yeah,
okay?
Yep. Yep.
Okay. All right. Are you on any medications right now?
No,
No? Have you had any other illegal drugs tonight?
No.
Smoke any weed?
No,
Do anything like that?
I don't do
Okay. Just want to make sure.
that. Yep.
Are you diabetic at all?
No.
Do you have
not.
any? All right. Do you have any medical issues I need to
I
know
don't
about?
know.
Do you have any issues with your legs? You're
No,
fine
I
with
don't.
walking or anything
No,
like that?
I don't.
Okay. Any issues with your back?
No.
Okay. When was the last time you slept?
10 hours ago?
Okay. What
Like,
time? What
I-
time did you wake up today?
Like 9 o'clock.
Did you get a full night's rest?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that
When was the
okay?
last time? Yeah. I just like to ask, make sure I get all the information I can.
Like it was a full night's sleep.
All right. What was the last thing you ate?
Like chicken tacos. Is
Right.
it okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
And how long ago was that?
It was like 10 hours ago at least.
All right. So this is to determine the presence of alcohol in your breath or not. Okay. So what I need you to do is I need you to take a deep breath, see your lips
Yeah.
on the seal and blow.
Okay.
Go. Blow. Blow. Out. Blow out. Keep going harder. You gotta actually blow. It's foolproof. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay.
All right. Right now you're under arrest for driving while intoxicated. Okay. You're gonna go back to the station. Talk a little bit more about it there. All right. Do some
Okay.
paperwork. See if you can get your ride home. Okay.
Okay.
They said you backed into a tree.
I mean, you're looking at it, so.
Okay, so did you back into a tree? No?
No, I'm just trying to go home.
told me the damage on your car right there didn't come from this tree right here.
I got damage on the front too.
22-1065 Florida, 20th for the event. Do you have your ID with you, man?
Yeah, of course. Here we go.
Alright.
Sorry, it's hard to see.
That's okay. So they're just saying there's some concerns that you might be under the influence of an intoxicating substance. Have you had any alcohol today?
I have.
Okay. How much did you have to drink earlier?
Probably 2 drinks.
2 drinks. About what time?
What time is it right now?
It's 10 o'clock.
Probably 2.
2.
Yeah.
2 p.m.?
No, 2 drinks.
About what time?
Probably started off at 8.
Okay. Give me just a second. Do you mind staying with this deputy right here? I'm just going to go talk to them real quick and see if we can get you out of here.
Yeah, that's fine.
So, you saw her hit that tree?
Yeah, well, I was out here smoking a cigarette, and she was in the parking spot.
Yeah.
She'd been sitting there a few minutes, and I turned my head like this and back over, and it went.
Yeah, I see. She got debris on the back of her car. She's saying she didn't hit anything.
Yeah.
So you could say that absolutely she was behind the wheel of that vehicle.
She was.
Okay, so if
And I even asked her to move it forward into a parking spot. She moved it like 3 feet.
So if I arrest her for DUI, would you be willing to come to court and identify her as the driver?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, come
Oh,
on.
listen, it's a long night.
Come on.
No, yes, sir.
Got a witness saying you did hit that tree. You were driving the vehicle.
This tree right here?
Yes, ma'am. There's a chunk of the tree still on your bumper. I'm going to read you something real quick, okay? You can relax. You don't have to hold your feet together anymore. Okay, so what I'm going to read, these are called your Miranda rights, okay? You're not under arrest. I do have to read you these before asking questions, okay? You understand?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You have the right to talk with your lawyer and have a lawyer present with you while you're being questioned. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering at any time and speak with a lawyer. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And you may use any of these rights at any time during the interview. Do you understand your rights as I've read them to you?
Yes, I do.
Okay, with your rights in mind, would you like to speak to me and answer questions?
I don't know, is that like a...
It's a yes or no. I can't. I've explained your rights to you.
I know, but I feel like that's like tricky. Like a tricky question.
Okay. Do you want to answer questions?
Can
Yes
I
or no?
close my door?
Newberry, can you close your door? Do you want to answer questions? Yes or no?
Can my car be brought up closer?
Okay, let's not worry about that right now. Do you want to answer questions? Yes or no?
No, I just want to go home and go to sleep, honestly.
So at this time, you are going to be placed under arrest for DUI.
Yankee 5-4 Kilo Tango Charlie. Yankee 5-4 Kilo Tango Charlie. Stay by your car, okay? Hey, Rob. Hey, Rob. Rob. Take a ride. Take a ride. Follow the trail. See what she hit. Where'd you come out of?
What?
Where'd you come out of?
I just came from down the shore.
Where are you headed?
Home.
Where's home?
Union.
Union?
Yeah.
Where down the shore? Where'd you come from?
Neptune. I work in Neptune.
Where you work?
The Waverly at Neptune.
How much did we drink?
Just a little bit. Just like 2 beers.
You had more than that.
No.
Well, you're not even close to Union. And how did you get here? What town are you in right now?
What do you mean?
Where are you right now?
Kenilworth.
Okay, so how'd you get to Kenilworth?
I took the Parkway.
The Parkway? You came from this way, though.
Yeah, I took the Parkway off. I took the Parkway and I took off of the Parkway into Kenilworth, and I was gonna go onto 22.
Alright, receive. See if we can get that information. Alright, so this is what we're going to do right now, okay?
Yeah.
I can smell the alcohol. You hit a parked car
Okay.
all the way over there.
Okay.
And you were trying to run.
Okay.
I'm going to put you through a couple field sobriety tests.
Okay.
Because I think you are
That parked vehicle is going to be Fox 7.
more than 2 beers, right?
Alpha. Fox 7.
I took like 3.
Alpha.
Now it's 3. Let's just, honesty's going to work
I'm
with
gonna
you.
be honest with you. I took a few beers.
A few?
Yeah.
What's a few?
I have no
All
idea.
right. Let me figure. Just lean up against your car for me, okay? Who's the car registered to? Who's the car registered to? Okay. Okay. You see your tire, right?
Yeah.
Did you know you hit that car on Cross Street? Why'd you run? Because you've been
didn't
drinking.
run.
You didn't. You didn't run. You hit the car all the way over there, and you ended up over here.
I was just trying to like
Go home.
over.
You're trying to go home
I was just trying to pull over.
because you know you had a little bit too much to drink.
Just a little bit.
Okay. What's your name?
Gabby.
Okay, I'm Travis. Okay. This is what we're gonna do. I have 3 different tests I have to run on you. Okay, for field sobriety. First one is called horizontal gaze nystagmus. I'm checking the involuntary jerking of your eyes.
Okay.
What you're gonna do? Stand up straight for me. Okay. You see this? What color is it?
Blue.
Perfect. With your eyes and your eyes only, you're gonna follow the tip of my pen.
Okay.
Don't move your head.
I got you.
Just your eyeballs. Okay. Just your eyeballs. Okay.
I got you.
So don't move your head.
Okay.
How old are you?
26.
Perfect. We're almost done. Come on.
My contacts
I
are
got you.
blurry.
I got you. Wait, one more. Ready?
Okay.
Okay. You feel comfortable walking in those shoes?
Yeah.
Okay. What I want you to do, you're gonna stand right here for me, okay? Face me. You can kind of use this line.
Oh, perfect.
It's perfect, right? What you're gonna do? Okay, this is the walk and turn test. Okay.
Okay.
What I want you to do right now is stand with your right foot in front of your left,
Okay.
with your heel touching your toe, arms down to your side. I want you to stay in that position while I explain the instructions to you. I'm also going to demonstrate for you, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to take 9 steps, heel to toe, counting out loud for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, all the way up until 9, okay? On that last step, after you take 9, you're going to take small steps to your left and come back 9 steps. I'm going to demonstrate, okay?
Wait.
I'm going to demonstrate for you, okay?
Okay.
Arms down to your side, okay? So, I'm going to take 3 steps, but you're going to take 9, okay? So it looks something just like this, okay? And it's going to be 1, 2, 3. On that last step, you're just going to turn. Kind of like a pivot step, but choppy steps just like this.
Okay.
And come back 9 steps.
On
1,
3?
2, 3. No, I took 3 steps, you're going to take 9.
Okay.
Okay? 9 steps, heel to toe. Last step, turn around and come back 9 steps.
Okay.
Count out loud for me. Go ahead and begin.
1, 2, 5.
Unable to complete the test. Stop counting. Took more steps. Count out loud for me. Come on.
5, 6,
Okay. The last one is called the one-legged stand test, okay? Any injuries?
Well, I have arthritis
Where?
in my ankles.
Which one? Both of them?
Both of them.
But they're fine? Like you're able to walk and run and do exercises and all kinds of stuff?
I mean, yeah, kind of.
Okay.
4. Can I just get the case
That's
number
why
for this?
my balance is all types of fucked up.
Okay. Well, I think your balance is all types of messed up for other reasons right now. Okay. This is a little more of a level surface. There's a little line there. Okay, so stand over here for me.
21 dash
What I want you to do, any leg of your choosing,
06.
you're going to keep one on the ground and when I tell you to. So just stand like this for me, okay? You're going to raise 1 foot approximately 6 inches off the ground.
Okay.
Look at the tip of your toe. You're going to count 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000 until I tell you to stop, okay? It's going to be just like this. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000 until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Don't begin until I tell you to, okay? All right. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead and begin.
1,000. I can't.
Keep going.
1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000.
Keep going. Keep stopping for balance. Arms down to your side. All right. Do me a favor.
Yeah.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. You were under arrest for driving while intoxicated. Okay? 5-3.
God.
I'm gonna need a tow. 1 under 450.
3.
Stay right there for a second, okay?
Trav, I'll swing back around.
Have a seat.
Only one car was damaged.
Get in. There we go. I'll crack the window for you so you get some air.
Okay.
Sit back. Sit back. Look up. Just put your seatbelt on, okay?
It's going to be Florida 12 Alpha Juliet Papa Zulu 12A JPZ. Pulling into the north part of the hospital. We got a red Mercedes. Hey, is everything all right?
Yeah,
I'm sorry. We're like panicking to get home.
Okay, let me see your license, ma'am, and your registration insurance.
I'm so sorry. I just had a friend pass away.
May I have an additional reason reference 1017 with 32 can start the flight?
What's your registry card?
Okay, let me start with your license first, alright? Where are you guys coming from tonight?
of course they're coming from.
We were coming from our friend's house in West Palm.
Okay, and where you guys headed to?
My house in North Palm.
Okay.
We're literally like 7 minutes from my house. I'm so sorry.
May I see your license, ma'am? While you guys look for the documents?
I'm so sorry. We literally just found out that my friend died, and we're rushing to get home.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It's okay. I'm so sorry that we were driving bad.
Well, you know what you did, right?
We were speeding.
Of course.
No, you were on the wrong side of the road.
Yeah, we were. I'm so sorry. We were literally panicking. I just found out that my friend died. It's right here, Fee. Is your wallet in there, or is your ID in there? I'm really sorry, officer.
Alright, give me 1 second, alright? Alright, Ms. Dorn. How much have you had to drink tonight?
We just gave him the insurance. I don't know where your registration is.
How much have you had to drink tonight? Not a lot? Alright. Why don't you go ahead and step out? I want to make sure you're not driving under the influence while you're on your way home, alright?
Yeah, we live right down the street.
Okay.
I don't know where your registration is. I looked everywhere for it. Wasn't it here, maybe?
Alright, if you could take that item out of your waistband there.
Of course, these are my keys, sir.
Okay, come on over here. This officer's going to give you a quick pat down, alright?
Face the car real quick. Turn around, face the car.
Just hang
You
out.
don't have any weapons on your
You hold on to this insurance card for me.
Alright, you can turn around and face him.
Officer Arnold. Alright, man, if you would come on over here for me. You can go ahead and stand right in the middle of this thing. Alright, you see the top of this pen? You're going to follow the top of this pen with your eyes only. You're going to keep your head still. Do you understand?
Of course.
That's a flashlight. Look at the pen. No, that's a
The
flashlight.
pen or the flashlight?
Pen.
Okay.
Alright. Now make sure you follow with your eyes only, okay? Keep your head still. follow it all the way. Don't move your head. Stay with it. Over here. Stay with the pen, man. Stay with it. Alright, we're going to go on to the next exercise. No O2. Alright, if you would go ahead and place your left foot on the line over here. Alright, now place your right foot in front, heel touching toe, just like I'm doing. Please. Arms down to your sides. Now hold that position. Don't start until I tell you to. If you step out, just go ahead and step back into it, alright? Alright, hold. Don't start until I tell you to. Alright, when I tell you to begin, I want you to take 9 heel toe steps, just like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Please go back to the starting position. Bring your foot back over. No. Your right foot in front.
Right foot?
Yep. Alright, so once you get to your 9th step, your feet are going to end up like this, okay? Leave that front foot where it's at. Take a series of small steps to turn around. And take 9 heel toe steps back. Alright, it's important that once you start, you don't stop. Keep your arms down at your sides. And count your steps out loud.
1, 2.
Do you have any questions?
3, 4.
Do you have any questions, ma'am?
I do not.
I didn't tell you to begin, so go ahead back to the beginning of the line. Alright, so left foot on the line. Right foot in front. Okay, do you have any questions? Do you understand what you got to do? You know what you got to do?
Yes.
Alright, so once you bring your right foot over, go ahead and begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Alright, and then 9 heel to toe steps back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Alright, the next exercise is going to be the one leg stand. So if you would go ahead and stand right back on that little design again, where you were before. Face me. Alright, go ahead and bring your feet together, hands at your sides. Alright, hold that position. Don't start until I tell you to. I'm going to explain the exercise, then I'm going to demonstrate it, okay? When I tell you to begin, you're going to raise one foot, either foot.
Left or right?
Either foot,
Okay.
whichever one you want, approximately 6 inches off the ground. It's about the height of a soda can. While you're doing that, you're going to keep both knees straight, and you're going to point the toes of your raised foot out at me. You're going to look down at your foot, and you're going to count out loud. I'm going to show you. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop.
Of course.
The whole time your hands are going to be at your sides. If you place your foot down during that time, just pick it back up and continue where you left off. It's going to go just like this. Watch me. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, and so on until I tell you to stop.
Of course.
Notice both of my knees are straight. My toes are pointed out, and I'm looking at my foot with my hands at my sides. This is all you got to do for 30 seconds, okay? You understand? Do you have any questions?
No.
All right, let me set a timer here. All right, go ahead and bring your arms down. Keep them there and then begin.
1001.
Lift your foot up.
1002. 1003. 1004.
Lift your foot off the ground.
1005. 1006. 1007. 1008.
If you place your foot down again, the exercise is going to be over.
1008.
All right, that exercise is over. You're under arrest for DUI, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
If you retake it, you're going to hurt yourself. You place your foot down 3 times, the exercise is over. All right, Jim. Figure out something to do with her.
Yeah, she's getting a ride right now.
All right.
Can I get my keys or something?
Your friend can have all the stuff that you want her to have. Do you know what a DUI is? It's an honest question, Ms. Dorn. Do you know what DUI is?
Of course I know.
That's what you're under arrest for, okay? You're arrested for driving under the influence.
Okay. Follow me back to this car. I'm going to do a search. Can I get my friend my car?
Yeah, your friend's going to get all your property. Con, go with him.
Give you an opportunity to do something. Okay. I don't know how much you've had to drink. I understand that there's an open beer in the car.
Right.
Which we know transportation code says, since 1996, I believe, can't have open containers. We got to be careful with that.
Yes.
I think the only place you can do it maybe in RVs and a little bitty back section in a van behind the very, very back seat in the back door where nobody can sit, unless you're doing it illegally. And no seatbelts there, so we won't do that anyway. It's just unsafe to drive while having open beer in the car. Just like texting, all the other stuff. So, it's just as dangerous. All right. Well, we know you don't want to do the test.
Right.
There's walk and turn, one leg stand, HGN. Okay. We don't want to do that. I get it. And since I've talked to you, you haven't even stood away from the tow truck. You're just leaning on it. Is that because you're comfortable talking to me? Or you're not? Are you using it to hold your balance?
Both.
Both?
I'll be honest. Both.
Well, honesty is the best policy. There's no doubt. And of course, you know that I love honesty.
Right.
But you also know
it's also gonna kill me too.
Now, it's gonna be a hickey, but nothing's gonna kill anybody. There's always hurdles we have to cross in our life. You slept well. You didn't eat tonight. And you started drinking at 8 or 9. Do you know how long ago that was? Quite a long time.
That far, but yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Crazy. All right. Well, you're going to go with me tonight. You understand that, right?
Correct.
Okay. Because what time do you got? Exact time. I don't have my watch on. 4 o'clock right now?
Exactly.
Okay. All right. I'm not sure if this man wants to talk to you, but it's 4 o'clock in the morning. You're going to go with me. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Which means tonight you're going to be placed under arrest for DWI.
Correct.
Okay. I don't know if this man needs to talk to you right now or not.
A couple of quick questions.
You want to?
How you doing?
Well,
Lieutenant Vidari. You are.
Hold on. Is it going to be pertaining to what's going on right here? Because I need to read him something before you do that.
That's going to be administrative.
Okay. Just making sure. Okay.
Do your thing.
Well, I didn't know if you want to do it now or if you want to wait till.
I'll follow your lead. However you want to go with this.
All right. Well, if it's administrative, it has nothing to do with this part.
Correct.
You can do whatever you need to. Totally up to you. But if it's pertaining to this, what's going on? I mean, time is 4 o'clock. He's just the only thing different. He's not in handcuffs.
Okay.
Okay, because we are all recording. I don't know if that mattered or not for administrative side. I don't know that. You would know because a lot more reading than I had to do. But I just don't know that part.
Now we're fine. We're recording. Did you want to talk to me as far as if you've had anything to drink or you refuse any questions? No.
Well, I'm not refusing. I'm just, I got nothing to say.
You got nothing to say? Okay. You don't have anything to explain about how your car ended up over there?
No, sir.
Okay.
I'm just glad you're upright and talking to us, meaning nobody got hurt. That's what I'm glad.
I'm so fucked, but what the hell?
Dude, let me ask you this quick question. Do you feel that you could report for duty right now if you had to?
No.
No? Is there any reason for that?
Yeah, I had too much drink.
Okay. Do you know how much?
No.
Let me explain something, Mr. Rodney. What he's asking you is not pertaining to the case. Okay? I'm just letting you know that because I have not Mirandized you. So his stuff,
I understand.
Those questions are something totally different than what's going on right now.
Then go ahead and do what you got to do then.
Okay. Well, I'm not putting you in handcuffs, man, because I respect you.
No, but I'm screwed. I know that.
But I just wanted you to understand that because his stuff was still kind of pertaining to the case. Direct questions pertaining to tonight.
Correct.
But to let you know, that cannot be used against you because I already placed you under arrest. You're just not in handcuffs. Okay. On the court side of the house, not PD side, administrative. Okay. because by asking if you were able to report for duty, don't say anything, is one of those that you know, saying one thing, so I won't be able to use it in my stuff either. Okay, just letting you know. Before you ask any question, it's my duty as a police officer to advise your rights and to warn you of the consequences of waiving these rights. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to make any statement, oral or written, to anyone. Any statement that you make will be used against you in a court of law or at your trial. You have a right to have a lawyer present to advise you in a court of law or at your trial. You may have your own lawyer present, or if you're unable to employ a lawyer, the court will appoint a lawyer for free of charge now or any other time you want. If you decide to talk with anyone, you can, and you can stop talking to them at any time you want. The above rights are continuing rights, which can be urged by any stage of proceedings. You understand your rights, and I read them to you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How many years?
28.
28. Appreciate what you did for us, man. No doubt. 28 years is a long time. I know some of your classmates.
Who?
Not just by the age, by the time frame. I know them.
Okay.
Up to you if you need to talk to him anything. And
So you said you're not fit for duty? You don't feel you're fit for duty?
I'm gonna walk away because that's all case pertaining.
I understand. Yeah, I pulled up and then
Was he back there or was he over here?
he was over here.
Oh, okay.
So, I feel good about the DUIs, but as soon as he opened his wallet and we saw his badge, I was like, I thought it'd be better to have a 17
It happens to me all the time, man. Nothing I can do about it.
What's that?
Oh, he's an officer.
You said you don't want to talk to the truck
Because
driver?
again, I mean, I was...
It's up to you. I was going to cut him loose as soon as we
Well,
can.
as long as you have his information, I mean, it's Munoz.
I'm going to put his notes completely on there.
And then it needs to be in a 23, and if you need it, I got one.
I'm just going to put it on the
I don't have his ID or nothing, so.
Sarge has it.
Okay. You need it for your stuff?
Did he offer you SFA?
No, I already ran it.
I have never heard of him.
Neither have I.
Did you want to go look at the file?
Yeah, you anytime you want to. Yeah. I had to stop for Daria. I was like, you can't ask him that. Let me do this.
I don't know what is he
He said, you fit for duty, and he said no. And I was like, oh, you can't use that. No, that's all administrative stuff. Yeah.
You want to put this on video?
Yeah, go pour it out on video. Well, I saw something in the console. What is that? Yeah. That's what I thought. Okay. Hey, Mr. Rodney.
Yes.
Come here real quick. Come follow me. Where do you want me to put this? I don't want to leave it in your car. I don't want somebody to see it and steal it.
I'll put it in my pocket.
You have your wallet on you?
Yeah.
Let me borrow your wallet. Just don't want nobody to see it. I'm going to hold on to it, okay? Okay. All right, come over here. I'm going to put them up front till we get down there, just for comfort, okay? Just to help you out, because they're not comfortable and they're not made for comfort. You understand that. But 4 o'clock was the arrest time. It's a little past that, okay? So, you got anything? You got a knife on you or anything?
No.
Okay. No weapon. Where's your weapon? At home?
Yeah.
All right, good deal. Make sure you don't have a knife. I don't want you to get in trouble for that. No. Come on. Like I said, when we get down there, we will put them in back, but I'll use double cuffs for you, okay? Because in case you have any shoulder issues or injuries, just have a seat. And if you need some air, let me know. That should be on already because my windows are already fogging up.
I'm good.
The squeeze, once you get your boots underneath the bottom, you'll feel a little bit better. The people I bring down all the time, they say, oh, these are so much nicer than the Crown Vics. Hang on 1 second, all right, sir? Mr. Munoz.
Yes, sir.
How you doing? Roger, right?
Roger.
Was that the name, Roger? Roman.
Roman.
Yeah, I just remember seeing it on the computer. All right. How long have we fallen from O'Connor?
Since 35. 35. I was heading northbound, and he was going southbound on northbound.
Wow.
So
well, we
yeah,
got
with his lights off.
We got a call for a wrong-way driver, and I think they probably told you that.
Yeah.
And then you followed him all the way through here?
Yeah.
Did you turn around on the highway and follow him?
No. He turned around in front of me.
Oh, shoot.
I just seen a black thing coming towards me, and I'm like, what the hell? So I pressed my brake. I turned on my lights for drivers behind me, and then everybody slowed down, and then he just did a quick U-turn, and then turned his lights on, and then kept on going.
You just stayed on the phone with dispatch all the way
I
here?
stayed on the phone with dispatch all the way, told him which exits he was taking, because he was exiting, getting back on the highway, almost hit a couple of 18-wheelers, almost ran off the road, almost hitting an 18-wheeler, and then almost hit a couple of guardrails. And dispatch told me not to quit following him, but I kept enough distance because, like I said, I didn't want the spirits. Like, look, man, like there's people traveling with kids. Thank God you didn't do nothing to nobody.
Oh, this right here is scary too.
Yeah, and then I saw him do that. I was way behind there because he was doing about 100 down here. I was doing 80. And,
wow.
And then I saw a bunch of dust, and I'm like...
Yeah, the skid marks are pretty long. You can see him right there, of course.
He slammed on his brakes. I saw him press on his brakes, and then I was like, well, dang, I'm going to have to do first aid, because, I mean, of course, I know it. But no, he backed out, and then whenever he backed out, I pulled up next to him, and I was like, hey, man, I said, you got to stop. And he was like, all right. I said, I done called the authorities. I said, just stop, man. I said, I can't let you drive like that. He said, all right, and then he pulled over there. I pulled behind him, and then I took the keys out of the ignition, and he waited here with me, and he just kept on saying, I'm screwed. I said, dude, think about it the positive way. I said, you're still breathing.
I told him that same thing.
There's people still breathing. I said, no kids were hurt. I said, just life lesson learned, man. I said, life, because, I mean, him saying I'm screwed, and then if I would have left him like that, and then y'all show up, I mean, that's whenever the adrenaline starts really kicking in. I just didn't want him to do nothing stupid on y'all or anything. But he was a good guy, man. He stayed here and listened to everything I told him to do, and he, like I said, he followed directions well. So I told him I'd put in a good word for him for that. But as far as what y'all do to him, I don't know. I'm not.
When they said, I asked if your tow truck was silver, I had a call last week, 35 and O'Connor.
It might have been me.
Well, the chick was all over the road, literally. All over. You know, whoever it was waited around until I was done.
Yeah.
And when we took her to jail.
Wow.
She literally took 3 lanes up. It was just last Wednesday.
I believe it.
The same time, 3:39.
It's very common. I even see like people slammed in the back of cop cars and stuff like that.
all the time.
And I'm like, dang, man, San Antonio's crazy. You don't see none of that in Dallas.
You might, but I don't get it.
Not as often, man.
Yeah. Hey, I appreciate everything.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
Want me to put this in property or you want to?
I didn't think you'd be the one showing up. Welcome to North.
Neither did I.
Yeah, welcome to North.
It was crazy. Someone said, oh, you're going to give a bunch of, that's where all the policemen live, so if someone's going to get arrested, it'll be up there. Sure enough.
Yeah.
Second night on North.
Yeah, yesterday was the first. Welcome back.
Yeah, thanks, appreciate it. Good seeing you.
I'm sure I'll see you again.
Not in this capacity, but it was good seeing you.
I got some money in my hand right here for you.
Sure.
I don't know, it was in somewhere in the car, but it's money. Don't you have a pocket?
Yeah.
I'll put it in your pocket. And I got your PPE bag, so I'm going to put that in our office at the sub, at Central, okay? Where's your duty gun? Is it at home?
Yeah.
Okay.
How you doing, Irvine Police? Hey, you have a license on you, dear?
Yes.
All right. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from dinner at the bistro in Red Bay.
What were you doing at a bistro?
Having dinner.
Okay, who are you having dinner with?
My friends for my 29th birthday.
Oh, it's your birthday? Gotcha. That's the license. All right, you have a registration and insurance on you? Okay. How much you got to drink tonight?
I did have a glass of wine or two.
Okay.
But I don't feel like I'm intoxicated.
Okay. How much did you have to drink?
About 2 glasses of wine.
Okay. What's going on with the front of your car? Did you hit something?
I didn't hit anything.
Is there anything wrong with the front of your car?
No. I do have a light out.
A light out? What happened there?
Just the light was out.
Okay. Got no front bumper here. Looks like you might have hit something. Your bumper's hanging off over there. You didn't hit anything? Okay. Your car seems to be driving fine then?
Tonight, yes.
Okay. You ever been arrested before?
No.
No? Okay. Any tickets in the past?
No.
Alright. Alright, just stay in the car. I'll be with you in a few minutes, alright? Okay. Hello, sir, ma'am. He's driving down the street. Their front bumper's hanging off. So I pull around.
Wasn't there a hit and run today?
There was, but I don't know where it was at. And then she's swerving in and out of the lane here. Light turns green. She sits there. Finally goes, speeds up.
Just erratic driving.
Yeah, erratic driving. She's coming from Bistro, had 2 glasses of wine with dinner. It's her 29th birthday.
Oh, okay.
So smell alcohol since I walk up to the passenger side. I just want to pull this out of here, just pull her out and just conduct some tests and then.
All right. You want me to do it or do you do it?
No, I'll do it, but
Yeah.
just want some,
No problem.
some backup. Cool. Some moral support. Yeah, I just turned them all except for the spotlights. Good? Okay. Yeah. Oh, what was your name again? Lauren? Lauren, okay, let's just step out of the car. Just make sure we're gonna make sure you're good to drive, and then we'll get you on your way. All right? We'll make sure everyone gets home safe tonight. So just step back there, be careful, and then walk onto the sidewalk. All right? Yep. Go ahead. Come right over here, dear. All right? Just wait 1 second. I'm just gonna position my camera. Oh, well, either way. So leave it. Stand up for me.
Yeah, I'd like to call a lawyer if you're going to give me a DUI test or something.
Okay, you don't want to do any tests?
No.
Okay, that's quite all right. All right, do me a favor. Just turn around.
I don't want to.
Turn around from me. Face away from me. All right, I'm going to place you under arrest right now. Under arrest right now for driving while intoxicated. And we'll get your paperwork done. And if you want to make a phone call then, we can do that. Okay, dear?
Headquarters on a hook for Johnsville, please.
You have anyone you could call to come pick you up and we get you out of here? Hold on a second. Unhook your fingers. I don't want to hurt you. All right? All right. Walk over this way with me, all right? Gotta come to the back of my car, okay, dear? Any weapons on you?
No.
Anything you shouldn't have? Any drugs or anything like that?
No.
Watch your step. Step down. Okay. 1 second. All right, you have a seat in there, okay? All right, let's jump out then real quick. We're going to pat you down here.
Sorry, honey. It's our policy just to make sure you don't have anything on you that's going to hurt anybody, stick anybody, or poke anybody, all right?
All right, you can have a seat in there, okay? Watch your step. All right. You want a seatbelt on?
104 will have a female 41.
Pardon?
450.
Yeah? No. No? Okay.
23 guns.
Turn it back on.
I know.
Alright, Lauren, step out.
Please don't ruin my life.
No, I'm not ruining your life. Where are you going? Stay here with me.
I'm not going anywhere.
Okay. Come this way, right? Sally door. Nothing else on you, no drugs, nothing like that?
No.
Where do you work?
I own a business. It's called the Party Fairy LLC. It's a children's birthday party business. It is princess parties.
Gotcha. So you look familiar, but I don't. Oh, 30 princess parties.
I went to
Sally door, please.
regional high school.
Ah, okay.
Also,
All right, step in there. Straight in, all the way to the left there. To the, no, straight.
Left.
Yep, straight. This one right there. Yep, there you go. You have a seat right there, okay? Are those handcuffs too tight for you? You're all right. You okay right now? Okay. I'll get them off for you in a minute, all right? Just relax, all right? Listen, driving under the influence is just a traffic ticket, so you'll go to court, you'll get it figured out, all right? What's your father's phone number? Okay. You're gonna tell him to come pick you up at the Red Bank Police Department, okay? When he picks up. Yeah, I'll talk to him if you want. I don't have to, all right? Well, I'll let you get a couple phone calls, all right?
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
Someone else you can call?
At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
hi, Dad. I'm at the Red Bank Police Department. I need you to come pick me up. I'm sorry. I went out to dinner with Marissa and Fiona tonight, and I got pulled over on the way back home from Red Bank. If you could come pick me up at the Red Bank Police Department, it would be appreciated. Thank you.
Anyone else you want to try? That's sober? That come pick you up?
Sober.
Like your mom? No, I'm saying like your mom, your dad, someone that...
My mom's not alive.
I'm sorry. Just take a minute, take a breath, alright?
No, really. Just my dad, Mom.
Your dad? Okay. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, so I was on 21 Half Mile Road, a Little Silver. I went to my friend Marissa's house tonight.
Huh?
I graduated from Red Bank Regional High School in 2016. We went out to dinner tonight in Red Bank, and now I'm here.
Okay.
That's the story.
Okay. I'm just going to read this to you real quick, okay? This is your Miranda warning. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to you to represent you before any questioning if you wish. And you can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any question or make any statements. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Would you like to answer these questions right now?
No, I know of a lawyer.
Okay, so if I'm just going to ask you about what kind of drinks you had tonight, if you don't want to answer that, then we won't do that. You want to answer or no?
No.
Okay, so we don't call the lawyer now. I just want to ask you these questions, all right? No problem. Okay, I just got to go over, like, let's say get your address and stuff like that again, so you do have to answer those questions for me, all right? But I'm not going to ask you anything incriminating. It's okay. You're fine. You're all right. Let's call your dad again, all right? Maybe he'll pick up this time. Was that it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want me to call him?
I just calling Anna. So keep it on speakerphone, okay?
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice message.
Who else could we call to come pick you up? You have anyone on your phone you could call, like a friend maybe, or a neighbor or something?
Tonight?
Yeah, they can come pick you up tonight.
I don't know.
You're not certain?
I don't have something. Maybe like Jersey Shore Medical Center?
Do you have a friend there that works there? No? Okay. Relax. It's just traffic tickets. You go to court, and that's it, alright?
Like, what kind of traffic ticket?
Like, you go to court for driving on an influence, that's all. Alright? You're not going to jail tonight. You're going to sit here until you get a ride. So we want to get you a ride home. The sooner we get a ride, so think about it, and then we'll get you out of here, alright? Up. Is there anyone else that you want to call? No? Okay. You're going to have to stay here until 11 in the afternoon tomorrow. Like, or we can call your dad in the morning, but you know what I mean?
Hello. It's been audio and video recorded. Do you have your license, registration, insurance?
I have my license on my phone, if that's okay.
You have your license on your phone?
No, sorry, no, my registration.
Hey, what's in your hand right there? Vape, alright. Where are you guys headed to?
I'm so sorry.
You're fine. How old's everybody in the car?
I'm 20, she's 21.
Okay. The reason I'm asking is I can smell odor of alcohol.
Yeah, I'm kind of the designated driver.
You're kind of, or you are?
I am.
Okay. Have you had any alcohol to drink?
I just had a half a beer.
Okay. And how long ago was that?
Like an hour ago.
Okay. How about driver's license? Do you have that?
Yeah. Get that out for you. There we go.
Okay. And then you said your registration, you have a picture of that on your phone?
Yeah.
You don't have one in your glove box?
I don't. I just came back from the west side and I didn't print it out.
Didn't print it out. Your registration's for your license plates, not your insurance.
Yeah. Wait, my registration's in here. And then
There you go.
I'm sorry, I can't remember. It's like a little registration.
All right. You're 20?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Keep looking for your insurance. I'll be right back with you.
Okay, thank you.
She's had more than a half a beer. Found your insurance?
Yep, it's right here.
Okay, perfect. Do me a favor. Hop out and come back here for me.
Is there a reason I got pulled over?
Yep, the reason I stopped you when you came down Monroe Street and you turned on to Stadium Way, you can't cut all the way across the lanes.
Oh.
All right?
Okay.
Stand right there for me. Okay. Nope, turn around, face me. Okay, so here's the deal, okay? I can smell a really strong odor of alcohol coming from the car, okay? I can smell it coming from your breath. That's why I asked how much you had to drink.
Okay.
You had a half a beer?
Yeah.
That's all you had to drink?
That's all I had to drink. At 8 o'clock, I had a glass of wine.
Okay, at 8 o'clock. What time do you think it is right now?
It is 12:30.
12:30. Okay, so here's the deal. I want to make sure that you're okay to drive.
Okay.
Okay, so I'd like you to do some voluntary field sobriety tests to make sure you're okay. Any problem with that?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, perfect. So what I'm going to have you do, see right where my flashlight's at, go ahead and stand there, turn around and face me. Face me. Okay, what I want you to do, put your feet together like that, and your hands down to your side, okay? This is going to be the starting position for each test unless I tell you otherwise, okay?
Okay.
You need to understand your ability to follow my instructions are just as important as completing the tests themselves, okay? Don't start any test till I'm done explaining the test, demonstrating the test, and then asking you to perform the test. Do you understand that?
Okay.
Okay, before we begin, do you have any physical defects? Bad knee, bad ankle, anything like that?
I mean, I kind of like hurt my left knee at the gym,
Okay, when was that?
like a few weeks ago.
Okay. Perfect. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to look at your eyes, okay?
Okay.
What I want you to do, do you see? Nope. Look right here. See the pen?
Yep.
All right. I want you to follow the pen with your eyes only. Don't move your head, okay?
Okay.
Don't move your head. Just follow with your eyes. Keep following with your eyes. Follow with your eyes. Do you see it okay?
Yep.
Okay, follow with your eyes. Okay, next test we're going to do is called the walk and turn test. What I want you to do, leave your left foot where it is. I want you to take your right foot, put it right in front of it, just like that. Go ahead and do that. Don't go anywhere yet. Remember, don't start the test until I'm done explaining and demonstrating, okay? So left foot where it is, right foot right in front of it. Go ahead and do that. All right, stay in this position. Nope, go back to the where it was. So you're standing just like me. Left foot, take your right foot, put it in front.
Right foot in front.
Yep. Okay, don't begin yet. Remember, I'm going to explain it, I'm going to demonstrate it, and then I'm going to ask you to do it, okay?
Okay.
So left foot where it is.
Left foot where it is.
Right foot in front of it, and stop, just like that. Don't move. All right, you're going to imagine a straight line. Okay, when I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 steps forward, touching heel to toe, counting each step out loud. You're going to keep your arms down to your side, you're going to look down at your feet, and you're going to count those out loud. Do you understand that?
Yep, so you said 9 steps forward, right?
Yep, so it's going to look like this. So your left foot's where it is, your right foot's in front. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9. Okay. Once you get to your 9th step, step out with your back foot like this, make small steps around till you reach the other direction. You'll be facing that way.
So once I get to 9, I do a little circle.
Yep, just like I showed you. And then you're going to take 9 steps back, touching heel to toe, counting each step out loud again on that imaginary line. Do you understand that test?
Do it again, 'cause
yep.
I kinda know this.
Okay, so your left foot's where it is, your right foot's in front, right?
Yep.
You're on that imaginary line. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9.
Okay.
Once you get to your 9th step, step out with your back foot, small steps around, and then 9 steps back.
Okay.
Do you understand?
And then I go backwards?
Nope, you're going to walk forward again. Just like you did going this way, you're going to make your turn and you're going to take 9 steps this way.
Okay.
Okay, make sure you look down at your feet, make sure you keep your arms down to your side, make sure you count each step out loud.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yep.
All right, begin.
1, 2,
Out tested.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I make a little turn, right?
Just like I explained. What are you supposed to do?
I look back at you.
Okay. Go ahead and come back over here. Stand just like you were. Turn around, face me. Okay, this next test, so feet together like this, hands down your side. Okay, this test is called the one-leg stand test. Okay, with the leg of your choice, you're going to raise it 6 inches off the ground. You're going to point your toe forward so your foot is parallel to the ground. Don't begin yet. You're going to keep your arms down to your side. You're going to look down at your foot. And you're going to count by 1,000. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, and so on until I tell you to stop. Okay. Do you understand that?
Yep.
Okay, which leg are you going to raise up?
My right leg.
Your right leg.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Tell me when.
Begin.
1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005,
1,006.
Look at your foot.
1,007, 1,008, 1,009.
Point your toe forward so it's parallel.
1,011, 1,012, 1,013, 1,014, 1,015, 1,017, 1,018, 1,019, 1,020, 1,021.
All right, put your foot down. Okay, how long ago was your beer?
I'd say about, what time is it now?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock? I drank it at 9.
At 9. Okay. What this is a voluntary portable breath test. This tells me how much alcohol you've had to drink. This test is not in lieu of the evidentiary breath test, which means it can't be used in court or anything like that.
So you said I don't have to take it?
Nope, it's a voluntary test.
What happens if I were not to voluntarily take it?
So I'm going to base my decision on what I've seen so far and go from there. You had more to drink than you're telling me.
I had maybe a White Claw more.
Okay. I think you've had more than that.
I voluntarily choose not to.
Okay, so right now you're under arrest.
Actually, I'll take the breath.
You want to take this? Okay, you understand it's voluntary, you don't have to take it.
I won't take it. But
Okay.
what happens if I just want to know what my options are.
So you're under the age of 21, okay, which means you can't have alcohol above a .02.
02?
Mm-hmm.
So, what would happen if I were, let's say, to take a breathalyzer and I was a bit over that?
Well, you can't be over that.
And what happens if I were not to take the test?
Then I'm going to base my decision on what I've seen so far. As I told you, you're under arrest.
So I have to spend the night in jail?
Well, that's later to be determined.
What would happen if I were to get under arrest?
Well, it's an arrestable offense. Okay.
Would it go on my permanent record?
It can, yeah. That doesn't mean you're convicted of it.
How much would the fees be?
I don't know what the fines are. That's up to the courts. Bottom line is this, okay? You had more to drink than you're telling me, okay? I've been doing this for 22 years, okay? I know you've had more than a White Claw and a beer, okay? I can smell it coming from your breath, looking at your eyes. It's obvious that you've had more to drink than you're telling me, okay? Honesty goes a long ways with me, okay? And you're not being completely honest with me. I understand that you're young. I get that. But that's where we're at.
This is going to ruin my life.
How much did you have to drink?
I had a White Claw and a glass of wine and a beer.
At what time?
I had the wine at 9 o'clock at my apartment. We came over here, and then I had a beer and a White Claw. And I'm a lightweight.
When was the last time? When did you drink your White Claw?
I would say at about 11.
Okay. Okay, so that's where we're at, okay? So right now you are under arrest, okay? You're under arrest for being under the...
Take the breathalyzer?
No, we're past that. Put your hands behind your back for me, okay? So right now you have the right to remain silent. You have the right to an attorney. Do you understand that?
Yep.
Okay. You are being audio and video recorded, okay? Is there anybody in the car that hasn't been drinking? Alright, we're just going to go to the front of my car right here. Just to the front. We're going to stand right in the front. Okay, listen up, okay? So you're under arrest for minor operating a motor vehicle, being under 21 after consuming alcohol, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to the presence of an attorney during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, want to be appointed for you prior to questioning if you so desire. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not make any statements or answer any questions.
Wait, what happens if you can't afford an attorney?
You can have one appointed at no cost.
Appointed at no cost?
Mm-hmm.
How do I do that?
So if you want to talk to an attorney when we get to the police station, you can call and talk to an attorney and get some legal advice, okay?
Okay.
Okay? So, like you said, you wanted to take the portable breath test? You can take it now if you want to, but... Okay, perfect. So, nobody in the car is 21, right?
Actually, if 2 of them are.
2 of them are, but they've all been drinking.
Yeah, I'm the most sober out of all of them.
You're the most sober. Okay. So, she's going to search you and make sure you don't have any contraband on you. Do you have anything in your pocket you're not supposed to have?
Nope.
Okay. So, she's going to search you. And then you're going to have a seat in my car. And then, so your car... Do you want me to park it in the parking lot? I don't want to tow it. I don't want to tow your car, okay? So I can move it over there and then they can walk.
Is it like a thing where I could just spend the night at the station and just walk home in the morning?
We'll get to all that in a little bit. So she's going to search you.
A little bit more than that.
We're going to have to move my car to get in there. 5. I have 1 in custody, DUI. Okay, so here's the deal. She's under arrest. She's had too much to drink. She can't be driving, okay? She's now 21. Huh? Yes.
So how do we get her out?
Well, does she have a cell phone?
Yeah.
All right, grab her cell phone and I'll take it with me. Okay. Does she have a wallet?
I don't know if she bought it because she knew that, like, we were going to be, like, out tonight.
Okay. Annabelle, do you have a wallet in here?
It's not in here.
Okay, just your license. I have your phone. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move the car because I don't want to tow the car, okay? So I'm going to move the car to the parking lot there. You guys can either walk, call Uber or something, okay? But don't make a dumb mistake and drive.
If we get a ride there, can we get her out tonight?
So I work for the sheriff's office, which is in Colfax. Okay, she's going to go to the Pullman Police Department. She'll have the opportunity to take the breath test there. Okay, and then I'll decide what happens from there, okay? You got pulled over when she turned off Monroe Street on a Stadium Way. She cut across all the lanes of traffic.
She has to wear her glasses when she's driving because she really can't see in the dark.
Okay.
And I don't think she has them on.
Okay.
So that's probably a major thing. Like,
Okay.
That's someone who's been in her.
So I'm going to move the car. You want me to move your car, right? Yes? Okay. I don't know if I fit in this little car.
Also, can you call me to figure out?
She'll have her phone, so she'll be able to call.
She'll be able to tell me?
Oh my gosh.
You can take her glasses too. Maybe that'll help when she's there.
Sorry about that. It's all right. Holy cow, this car is tiny.
How do I tell her to call us?
She's going to call you.
She will. She'll have her phone.
Us?
She'll have her phone.
I want to make sure she calls us though, not like...
Well, she's in her phone. She's going to call you.
I know, but like, she has to know to think to call us. Like, obviously.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the keys,
Okay.
but I'll leave it unlocked, and then just make sure you guys lock it. So are you guys going to call for an Uber, or...
Yeah.
We have a friend coming.
Okay, has your friend been drinking? Okay, so do that, and then you guys can hang out here, and then she has her phone, so she has your phone numbers. Okay?
Thank you.
All right, guys. Oh my gosh, I can't get out now. Oh. You guys can stay in the car. Stay in here where it's warm, okay?
Can you take her glasses with you so she can see?
Does she normally wear them all the time?
Yeah, she does.
How could she see out of them?
They're really dirty.
Holy cow. Okay. Stay in the car, you guys. It's warm. Just call your ride in.
We got a ride coming.
Okay.
We already called her.
Okay, then lock the car, okay?
All right. Thank you very much.
Amy, just walk forward and I'll angle my car so she can get in. Quiet. No, you can't.
Just drove up and hit the cement parking divider really hard. Hey, I'm Officer Page from Erratic Beach Police Department Traffic Enforcement. Can you turn your radio down? So the reason I'm stopping you, sir, is when you made your left turn onto Sadler Road from 8th, you drove over the lane that's marked over. You can't drive over that marked area. That's called a gore. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Must see your license, registration, proof of insurance?
I have no license.
I'm sorry?
I don't have a license.
You don't have your license?
No, I don't.
Do you have a valid license?
Yes.
You just don't have it with you?
No.
Okay. All right.
Sorry.
What you been up to today? You understand what I'm talking about? That marked off area right there?
I do.
It's called a gore.
My wife has told me numerous times.
Really? Okay.
And I've done it.
Okay. Do you have your insurance as well, sir? Proof of insurance for the vehicle?
I do, but I'm sorry.
Is that it right there in your hand?
It's not.
Let me see what you have here.
Expired.
Oh, it's expired? Okay. Have you been drinking at all today, sir?
No.
Not a thing? Sir? Sir? Have you been drinking at all today?
No.
Not a thing?
No.
Okay. Are you diabetic or epileptic?
No.
Okay. All right. I'm getting the smell of an alcoholic beverage coming from you. That's the reason I'm asking. Okay. So have you been drinking? Yes or no? Sir?
No.
You can't make eye contact with me when you say that? So you're going to be honest?
No.
You're not going to be honest? Okay. All right, sir. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me. Just step back right over here, sir. That's fine. Relax right there. Do you have any health or medical issues I need to be concerned of, sir? You're not diabetic, you're not epileptic. Do you take any prescribed medication for anything at all?
Yes, I do.
You do? Okay. That's important.
My wife knows you.
Huh?
My wife knows you.
Your wife knows me? Who's your wife?
Sarah Bell.
Sarah Bell? The assistant state attorney, Sarah Bell? Is your wife?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Ask you this. What day is it today?
June 21st.
Okay. Who's the president?
Sadly, Biden.
Okay. What time do you think it is right now without looking at a watch or a clock?
Like 6:15, 7.
6:15 or 7?
Okay. Close?
It's 5:30. Where were you coming from prior to me just stopping you?
Dropping my daughter off at Bible school.
Which is where at?
At St. Michael's.
Okay. All right. Okay. Give me just a minute. Just hang out right there. You can relax, okay? You know who this is? This is going to be ASA Sarah Bell's husband. Will you go up to him and see if you smell something? I feel like I'm getting a faint odor off his breath, but I want to make sure. Okay. All right. So I'm going to read you your rights because I am conducting a DUI investigation too.
Oh, God.
I smelled over an alcoholic beverage as well as Deputy Gordon here. So both of us smell it. It's not just fictitious, okay? So you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You do have the right to speak to an attorney and to have an attorney present during any questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be provided for you at no cost before any questioning begins. If you do answer questions now, you do have the right to stop answering anytime, consult with an attorney. Do you understand your rights?
Yes.
Okay. So how much have you had to drink today as far as alcohol goes? Okay. I don't believe you, neither does he.
No. I
Okay.
know, but can you get me home?
No. No.
Please?
No. Mm-mm. No. Why are you different than anybody else that I stop and do a DUI investigation with? Because of who your wife is? Don't work that way, bud. Don't work that way. Okay? You're not privileged because of what your wife does for a living.
Of course not.
Okay? So you want to tell me how much you've had to drink today or not?
No.
Okay, understood. On a scale of 0 to 10, with 0 being completely sober and 10 being drunk or intoxicated, what would you rate yourself on that scale right now?
0.
Okay. And you said you just dropped your daughter off, right?
Yeah.
So you would feel safe driving with a child in your car?
Obviously.
Obviously. Can you see the alphabet?
Yes.
You can do that. Would you be willing to do that?
Yes.
Okay. Come over this way. Stand right there with your feet together best you can. Put your feet together the best you can. Is that as close as you can get your feet? All right, tilt your head back for me. Tilt your head back. Close your eyes. And recite the alphabet A through Z, but do not rhyme it or sing it.
A, B, C, E, F, G.
Hang on. Do not rhyme it or sing it like the song, okay? I compare it saying it kind of like a robot, like this. A, B, C, D, E, and so forth and so on.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I.
Your eyes need to remain closed. Your head needs to be tilted back, sir.
J, K, L, O, M.
The reason you're stopping?
Because you moved away.
What does that have to do with anything, sir? You want to start over? Put your feet together. Listen, put your feet together, your hands out your sides. Tilt your head back, close your eyes, and recite the alphabet A through Z. Keep your eyes closed and keep your head tilted back, okay?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, I, H, X, L, M, N, P.
What's your highest level of education, sir?
MBA.
What?
MBA.
You can't recite the alphabet A through Z.
I just did.
No, you didn't, sir. You didn't. You know you didn't. What about the finger to nose exercise? Are you willing to do that one? That's not. I mean, I'd have to get the instructions, but somewhat like that. Are you willing to do that one? Are you willing to participate in that exercise? Okay. So feet together, hands out your sides. Put your hands out your sides, sir. Make fists with both your hands. Make fists with both your hands. Put your index fingers down like this. Pull your arms slightly outward. Okay. Not now, but when told to do so, I'm going to have you tilt your head back and close your eyes. I'm either going to say left or right. If I say left, I want you to tip your left index finger, come up and touch the tip of your nose. As soon as you touch the tip of your nose, put your hand down, okay? Same with your right. Right index finger, tip of it, touch the tip of your nose, put your hand back down, okay? Just to specify, if that's the tip of your nose, I want the tip of your finger, not the sides or the pad. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, go ahead and tilt your head back. Close your eyes. Ready? Left. Keep your eyes closed and keep your head tilted back, okay? Right. Okay. You got to keep your eyes closed and your head tilted back, okay? During the entire exercise. Left. Right. Right. Left. Okay. All right. But based on what I've seen so far, I do feel like you are DUI and you are going to be placed under arrest for DUI, okay? So place your hands behind your back for me. Relax your arms, sir.
From 4 to HQ, show 510. Reference signal 1.
Okay, Mr. Bell, we're just going to come right back here and have a seat in my vehicle, sir. It's a hard plastic seat. Just be careful getting in, sir. And I'll adjust that seat belt in just a minute. Best thing to do is put your butt in first. Turn your body. Oh, I'll get you situated here, okay? How tall are you?
6'2".
Okay. Just scoot you in the best you can. Here, there we go. There we go. Okay, hang on. I'll get the air going for you back here, okay? All right.